Elizabeth does not come to school tomorrow.
But me, I was a came.
Even me, I'm a coming.
When she's going to call in the register and the names of those who doesn't come tomorrow.
Hey, sir, quote them.
You can call it.
Belinda.
Yes, Belinda.
Sir, me, I'm a funeral at village.
Belinda.
Next people, please.
VJ.
Me, I'm not absent tomorrow. I was came.
Maggie.
Sir, I was at clinic. My sister, she's an accident.
Sir,
Michael, what it is?
I'm not a came. My daddy, she's a sick at home.
Sir, this class, she's surprised in English.
I am going to beat all class, whether you coming or don't come.
Sir, even me?